Identify the reaction type and phase of the reactants. The reaction describes solid lithium, Li, reacting with liquid water, H2O. This is a heterogeneous reaction occurring specifically at the boundary, interface, where the liquid water meets the solid metal surface. Understand how surface area affects heterogeneous reaction rates. For any reaction involving a solid phase, the reaction can only take place at the exposed surface of the solid where the other reactant molecules can physically collide with it. Consequently, the rate of the reaction is directly limited by and proportional to the surface area of the solid reactant. Analyze the physical change of cutting the solid. Taking a 0.35 gram sample of Li and cutting it into smaller pieces does not change its total mass, chemical identity, or the temperature. However, it dramatically increases the total exposed surface area of the metal. Relate surface area to collision frequency. A larger surface area allows many more lithium atoms to be in direct physical contact with water molecules simultaneously. According to collision theory, this increase in contact area increases the frequency of reactant collisions per unit of time, which directly increases the rate of the reaction. Select the correct option. Cutting the sample into small pieces, option C, is the only change that increases collision frequency and successfully increases the rate of the reaction. The correct answer is option C, using a 0.35 gram sample of Li cut into small pieces.